Hi, so this is our tech explanation. If you want to see the demo, you can refer to our 1 minute pitch. So I'm Bertram and I did the homepage. Mainly, you can see everything over here in our index document. The main security concern we had was irregular or special characters being sent into our search bar. So we made sure with our JavaScript text that only alphabetical characters and commas and spaces would be included. And we have our buttons here for submitting and our offset. You can see the code here. That's it for me.
Okay, hi, I'm Phan. I did the searching for recipe function and their viewing function as well. I guess, Andres, can you move to the, I guess here is, so can you go to the recipe search? Yep. So the main function here is that we're reading from our from a given JSON file. So what we're doing is just is iterating through the JSON file, find ingredients that matches our given keyword regex. So I think the only concern generally is is the given string might be formatted, might still get formatted oddly by maybe through user faults. So I performed further trimming and splitting down for the keywords down at the item level. And afterwards, each search result should show the expected results with images relating to them through the use of the Google API. And most likely another security concern is that the API key and the search engine could be exposed. So I had stored them in their own JSON file that can be accessed within the server itself.
Okay, cool. So I'm Andres. I did basically the form to upload and share new recipes. So I also use PHP for this. I have a couple functions here that basically allow the user to enter different information about the recipe and then share the form, which is basically stored in a database file that we have in our server. So the main concern here would be if the user shares forms multiple times. So we decided that to use CAPTCHA for that, so that we prevent bots from basically sending multiple recipes and multiple forms to our server. From the form, we basically parse all the inputs. We use post requests for that, and then basically all the inputs coming from the form are processed and are basically appended to a JSON file, and then to our database file in the server. So yeah, that's it for this one. And I don't know, guys, if you have anything else to add.
I think the final thing would probably be the view recipe file.
Yep.
So mainly this is just, again, displaying the recipe where, so after getting the search recipe, the form will click at each search. There will be a result that we can show more information of. So by doing that, the recipe search PHP file will pass on two arguments, the ID and the image source, as the Google API prevents from having multiple searches per day.
Right. So we can actually try that out and see, I don't know, any ingredient, guys?
Shrimp, tomato.
Right. And we can give it an offset of 2 elements, for example. Well,
if there is no match, then it will show the cat.
right. So we can try more elements actually. Let's say 4. So
And you can see here that based on our offset and our result, we can there are images of our dish, and upon clicking see more, it should show the basic information of the recipe itself, nutrition values, ingredients, and how to cook.
right. So, well, basically these recipes are the ones that are currently in our database file. We don't have many. So as users send more recipes through the upload form, we can keep collecting new recipes and show them to the users. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And thanks for watching.